Inasal is one of the Filipino most famous restaurant here in Dubai, so we decided to give it a try.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No.
It's very yummy, amazing. The taste of the chicken is very juicy. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. The juiciness.
Juiciness. Yan, sarap.
Oh, look at that. It's so yummy.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I
The temperature here in Dubai started to rise to 40 degrees Celsius. This is a sign of summer has arrived. So we granted the request of the kids to experience once more to swim in the swimming pool. So we headed to Zaya Al Barari, one of the best hotel apartment here in Dubai with the best swimming pool facility. Hi everyone! So ngayon, napupunta ulit kami ng Al Barari. Al Barari, kasama ko itong mga...
Pangit na to! Ito, pangit yung mga to.
Yan sila.
Mga pangit. Mag-ingay yung mga pangit!
Mga magagandang dilag yan, oh.
Sorry.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you.
This is the second time I visited this place, and this is also the second time I have that at-home feelings. Because of the amazing landscaping design, the greenery, and the big trees that you never expected existed in the middle of the desert. It really gives you a feeling that you are at home in the Philippines.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever.
So yan guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Al Barari. Yan, kita natin sila. Hindi naman itong mga bata dito. So, bumalik na tayo dito dati. Ngayon, bumalik din tayo kasi yun na, gusto nilang maligo. So, sinamahan natin. At today, nakikita natin na nag-enjoy sila dito sa lugar. At itong lugar na ito, napakaganda talaga. Nakikita natin yung mga neighborhood dyan, mga building. Napakaganda. So, isa sa pinaka-recommended na lugar sa inyo pag nandito kayo sa Dubai, Al Barari, Zaya Al Barari, dito sa Dubai. Yan. So, ito yung mga bata. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata dyan, no? Yan. Pati yung matatanda, yan, no? Nag-enjoy din.
Oh, Cardo Dalisay!
So yan, katatapos lang namin maligo. So nag-enjoy naman kami lahat dito, pati yung mga bata. Ito yung mga bata. So, what is your experience, Ishan? What do you think? Ishan? Good? You like it? Amil, what is your experience? Happy?
Happy.
Masaya?
Happy.
Super happy.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken.
Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again?
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa May Riga. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Mang Inasal. So dito tayo kakain. So check natin kung ano yung maganda dito sa Mang Inasal dito sa Riga. Kasi isa to sa pinaka dinadayo din ng mga tao dito, ang Mang Inasal. So let's try it out. So kasi matagal na rin ako hindi nakakain ng Mang Inasal. So takam na rin. So try natin.
Push the pedal to the pavement. I was dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel ghosts inside.
So isa sa pinakabagong big deal dito ngayon yung Mang Inasal. So maraming mga kababayan natin ang kumakain dito kahit ibang lahi. Marami ding pumupunta para kakain dito. Yung mga ibang lahi naman basta may juwang Filipino daw yan. Ini-introduce nila yung in-introduce nila yung Mang Inasal sa mga yan.
At saka masarap eh.
At saka masarap naman talaga yung Mang Inasal
Kahit anong luto ng chicken.
masarap talaga, no? So masarap daw talaga yung Mang Inasal, kaya ito ngayon pinuntahan namin dito. Susubukan natin at ipapakita natin sa inyo kung ano yung mukha ng Mang Inasal dito sa Dubai at saka yung mukha ng Mang Inasal dyan sa Pilipinas. Ano yun? Yung Mang Inasal dito sa Dubai.
Because the chickens are speaking English in here. And they are very, very organic.
So that's
They
why
don't eat the things that chickens in the Philippines are eating here. It's very different. They have to put that in mind.
so international Mang Inasal, yeah?
Yeah, there's chicken who speaks English and Arabic.
Oh yeah, try again.
So yan guys, anong meron tayo dito? May chicken, ayun. Of course, may rice, may mga, anong tawag nito? Pickles. May atsara, may labuyo, at saka may lemon yan.
Chicken yung akong kanin.
Maganda dito guys kasi ano, kamayan talaga eh. Feel na feel mo yung ano, feel na feel mo yung sarap ng kinakain natin.
Ano sa kanila? Kuya pa yung extra rice ah.
How's the first taste, my friend?
You know, it's very yummy. Amazing. The taste of the chicken is very juicy. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
My God.
The tender. The juiciness.
Juiciness. Yan, sarap.
Oh. Look at that. It's so yummy. Oh. Nga po drain dyan. I'm like po drain dyan.
Oh yeah, try again.
So hey guys, we are back. So now we're walking back home. It's from Alriga. It's kind of short. See, that's small. So that means we're close to our house. So yeah, I thought it was going to be long, but it's actually a little short.
Make your voice
So this is Yen. Hello.
So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog natin. Kung bago kayo sa channel namin, please subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you.